Hi folks, welcome to Blackbeard's Detailing YouTube channel. I'm Ross. Over there somewhere is Josh, hiding behind an Audi. There's Josh there. And on this vlog we have this Toyota GR86. So it's brand new, covered only 500 miles. It's in for our new car ceramic package. It's getting Crystal Serum Ultra put on it and full front end PPF from the top of the A-pillars, mirrors, front wings, bonnet, bumper and headlights. And Chris from Universal Graphics will be joining us to do that. In the meantime, I'm going to get the decon work done on this and yeah, we'll get it inside and we'll get a closer look. So that's the GR86 all deconned in the unit and dried, and first chance had to look at it properly under the lights and it's pretty good. Customer did say to Toyota not to touch it because obviously it's going to get some work done. There's looks like a hose has been dragged over it at some point along there. Customer did point that out to me when he dropped it off. It looks as if it's been a hose for inflating the tyres. Chris is here to do some plotting up for the, oh there's a nice shot there of Chris. I'll move on to this side there. It's like, it was just like nicely timed turning just as he bends over. So Chris is going to get set up and get some stuff all kind of plotted out for that, and in the meantime I'm just going to crack on with some of the polishing work. So it's also getting the interior protection pack, so we'll give it a valet on the inside and then get smart fabric on all these seats just to make sure they're all protected, leather guard on the leather, and yeah, this should all be good to go. But yeah, it's a cool interior, everything just exactly in place where you would want it to be for hooning around the roads and sliding the back end out. So this is the third car this customer's brought me. It's a two Hyundai i30Ns. The last one got paint protection film in the front of it, which rescued the bumper after it got believe it or not, a hit from, I think it was a lorry. It was the tyre, went right along the side of it, and the PPF took all of the brunt. We had to get that replaced. Again, it was Chris that fitted the PPF and replaced it. It was just on that section, so customer was like, it's a no-brainer, PPF on again. It prevented a rather expensive, nasty bill to get a bumper resprayed. So yeah, happy to go ahead with that. So I'm going to get this car lifted, I'm going to get the wheels off, get them deep cleaned, get them coated, back on the car and then crack on with the polishing. So it's the following morning, day number 2, working on this GR86. We've got the rear end polished, apart from the top of the boot lid. Both doors, rear quarter panels, all done. And yeah, I'm just getting the wheels on so I can get it dropped down and take care of the roof, the upper pillars, and the top of the boot lid. Chris came by yesterday, done a power of work, so he's got the large majority of the PPF work all done. And yeah, it's all going to plan. So just going to get these wheels popped on it and then settle down for a day of polishing. We might even be able to get the coating done today, depending on how things go. Josh is due in shortly. I came in a wee bit earlier just to get a bit of a head start, and then yeah, we shall see what today brings. Well folks, that's all the prep work done on this GR86 and we're ready for the coatings. It's getting Crystal Serum Ultra put on it. This is a 9-year guaranteed coating. It's got a hardness rating of 10H, which is the top coat, and the base coat is 7H. It phases once it's applied and it separates into 2 coatings essentially. Base coating, really hard wearing, top coat gives beautiful water behaviour and a nice slick feeling. It's chemical resistant between pH 2 and pH 13. It's resistant to your bird lime droppings and things like that as well. So the car is going to be very, very well protected. From the top of the A-pillars forward, PPF is installed by Chris at Universal Graphics. He's still got a couple of bits to finish on it. He's got the wing mirrors to do and lower sections of the wings to do. So he's going to pop by tomorrow and get all this finished, go over everything and make sure it's all perfect. The work that's been completed so far, we've done a full interior clean on it. It got fabric guard put on the Alcantara seats, leather guard on the steering wheel and the leather sections around the sides of the seats. Mats all got fabric guard as well put on them. Wheels taken off, C5 put on them, which is a alloy wheel coating, which just aids in nice easy cleaning for the customer going forward. Tyre dressing's all on. Literally the last thing we've got to do is do the coating. So we are going to get cracked on with this. We've got Formula 1 Drive to Survive on the telly, so we'll listen to that as we're going along. So we're doing essentially from this section of the car backwards because the front end is all PPF. After that's been done, we'll go over it with C2 V3, the entire car, including all the PPF. Make sure there's a nice even water behaviour on it, and that just helps to boost that kind of slick feeling as well. So we are going to basically just crack on with the coatings now and see if we can get it done just before 5 o'clock, and we will get finished on time for a change. But yeah, this thing is just absolutely awesome. Colour is just dripping in gloss. Single stage enhancement carried out on it just to really show off that gloss, enhance the paint as much as possible, and then full car panel wipe down, and then all prepped and good for the coatings. So we are going to crack on and get this on. folks, that's this GR86 all done, and thank you for joining us on the journey and getting this looking absolutely epic and fantastic. Chris has finished all the PPF work this morning, the mirrors and the tops of the pillars been done and the wings. So all that's left to do is just allow that to fully dry out, to allow any edges as it pulls in on itself. If they lift, we can get them tucked back under. And yeah, apart from that, that is our work finished. I'm going to stick a number plates on it, and then yeah, we shall say farewell to the GR86 on Monday when it gets picked up by its new owner. So thank you very much for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel, hit that wee like button and the wee bell to get a notification whenever we drop a new video. Thank you, cheery bye, and enjoy the beauty shots of this awesome car.